platform we developed, i3D.health, is essentially, it lives the PolyUnity name. PolyUnity, in very literal terms, is defined as many as working as one, or many working in unity. And that applies to all the frontline healthcare workers having one innovative platform where they can come to get the things they need. But it also applies directly to the 3D printed products and the technologies. We want to create a digital marketplace, and are creating a digital marketplace where we can bring best-of-breed technologies into one singular platform to allow them to have access to all of, again, for all frontline healthcare workers. So it looks something like this. We have a digital library of 3D printed parts. This is our i3D.health platform where we host those digital files. It has the ability to place orders. It's, again, enterprise level. It's hosted in GCP, Google Cloud Platform. And with that, we also have a product design service where we have professional designers that can create products. If you have an idea, or sometimes we just get people to tell us about their problems. Not all their problems, but problems that pertain to product development. And then once we've created that product, we put it in digital inventory, then they can order it when they need it, and we handle the manufacturing for them as well. And so we're working towards a fully distributed national network that can support all healthcare within Canada.